Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1954 Chevy 3100 pickup truck. Very desirable here, especially at Skyway Classics. Of course, you know everybody loves to collect these old style trucks, personally called a farm truck in my opinion. But this one we have here featuring a lucky green exterior. You do see it does have those nice aftermarket wheels on it to give it a bit of a modernized stance. Other than that, as you look at the exterior, it does have that nice round body, dual round mirrors on it. In fact, I do remember or recall this truck being once called the 5-window truck, also because as you can see the extra windows all around you. Short bed, and of course, as you can look into the bed, they actually painted that fine wood grain with the green built into it. But as we move on to the interiors, you can see we also have that fine green along the dash. Of course, you have that modernized, I'd like to say even the 80s or late 70s style design along the dash. Very well seen on those trucks, especially on the exterior. But other than that, you have an updated style cluster. Very accurate. I would wish that it was green to match the rest of the truck, but I guess it's a loss there. Other than that, you do have an aftermarket tilt column wheel with the 3-spoke wheel. Horn actually does work, which is very nice. Underneath, you can see we have a replaced retro radio. Very nice, especially how they didn't molest the dash here, having the radio fit into it. Vintage air kit underneath. You have the twin bucket seats with the little console inside to have a nice little drink at. Other than that, on the inside, you can see it just has the plain old window cranks with the vent windows on it. Other than that, as we finish off moving into the engine bay, featuring a 350 crate motor powered by a 700 R4 automatic transmission. It does have a get up and go move to it. Of course, you see right now we're the only one on the road. You may also notice on the dash and around us right now, it is a little bit rainy out, cloudy out, and the truck's a little wet. But that's also good that we brought out this kind of occasion to show you how well it handles on a little wet of a road, but also more importantly, how well the molding's held up. Seeing all around us, there's no water inside at all. No leakage, especially up there. That's very good, especially for a truck of this age. But as for now, though, it is time to get it turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a minute, folks, please stay tuned with us as we see the underneath.